shunt trip breaker is a circuit breaker designed to open or trip when an external signal is applied. This signal is typically a low-voltage circuit. It causes a shunt coil within the breaker to generate a magnetic field, and that's what opens the contact. This is different from thermal or magnetic trip breakers, which trip based on overcurrent or short circuits. Under normal operation, the shunt coil isn't energized, so the breaker contacts stay closed. When that external signal is applied to the shunt coil, it creates the magnetic field. The magnetic field then causes an armature to move. This movement separates the breaker contacts, interrupting the current flow. Shunt trip breakers are commonly used in industrial and commercial applications that need remote tripping. Examples include fire systems, emergency shutdowns, overcurrent protection in combination with other protection devices, and backup protection for critical circuits. For further information, you can explore resources from Schneider Electric at the web address https://www.c.com/////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////////// www.usa.siemens.com/electrical-products/low-voltage/product/shunt-breaker/shunt-trip.html. For application notes, Siemens offers resources at the web address https://support.industry.siemens.com/CS/doc-shunt-breaker-release-for-Python-LC=0.P-NID=1,590,003 Schweitzer Engineering Laboratories has application notes at the web address https://www.selling.com/technical-articles/application-notes/ant2010-3-generator-function-circuit-breakers/. You can find PDF files with more information from Schneider Electric at the web address https://download.schneider-electric.com/files_P__n_date_C_T_P_X20 2005-data-sheet_n.pdf. Eaton also provides PDF files at the web address https://www.eaton.com/contents/electrical-backup-power-switches-electrical-backup-power-switches-automatic-transfer-switches/pdf/7-server-cat.pdf.